Guys, look at this freaking thing. Oh, man. What's going on, guys? Head to Cars for Dave. Dude, I love this.
Dude, this thing's fucking awesome.
It's got a 5-speed in it, y'all. That's freaking cool. That is so cool. Got the American flag on the back of it. That's freaking amazing. Super stock. But the thing is, you would never know. You would never know. That right there is just like, I'd love it. I love that. Dude, this thing is sick. You do not see these much at all. Look at the underglow lights, y'all. You don't ever see that. It's freaking cool. What kind of seats you got in here? Freaking cool. So what all you got done to it?
750 carburetor on it. Big cam.
Big cam, 750 carburetor. What is it, a Holly?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Is it cammed?
Yeah.
Cammed up. Dude, this thing is sick. How old were you when you got it? 8 years old? Holy crap, man. You've been doing this for a while. Building this for a while, guys. Look at this thing. This thing is sick. He's got the underglow in the inside of it. It's freaking sick. Damn. Love it. Dude, it's really nice, man.